Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today I am here with some contents regarding mysterious diseases. There are many sicknesses doctors can cure with the swish of a pen across prescription pad. But for all we understand now about some illnesses, there are even more that still stump the pros, confound the public and rage on uncontested. Today we are going to discuss about the top mysterious diseases that can't cure for lifetime like a god's punishment. Acute immunodeficiency syndrome or AIDS. 25 years since it was first identified, there is still no cure for acute immune deficiency syndrome. AIDS remains among the world's most potent killers, especially in developing countries. The disease likely started with a chin-to-human jump, recent research confirmed. Alzheimer's disease. Not to be confused with the forgetfulness that affects most everyone in their later years. Alzheimer's is a degenerative brain disorder that manifests differently in each of its sufferers. The exact cause is not understood and it can't be effectively treated. The common cold. Even with an estimated 1 billion cases in the United States every year, doctors still know very little about the nose-running, cough-inducing cold, whose root causes numbers in the hundreds. Some headway is being made. Thyme and chicken soup, not antibiotics, is often the only prescription that helps you. Avian flu. Humans have no immunity to the powerful flu virus carried by birds, which health officers fear could mutate into a strain that can be transmitted between humans. Death rate for human infected are around 50%. But so far, humans have been infected mostly by direct handling with infected birds. A recent cluster of cases, however, appeared to involve its spread between people. Pica. People diagnosed with pica have an insatiable urge to eat non-food substances like dirt, pepper, glue and clay. Though it is believed to be linked with mineral deficiency, health experts have found no real cause and no cure for the peculiar disease. Autoimmune disorders, a catch-all term for a host of afflictions including lupus and MS. Autoimmune disorders treat the body's organs and normal functions as enemy invaders. They are usually chronic, always debilitating, and doctors can do little except ease their symptoms. Schizophrenia. Experts consider this the most puzzling of mental disorders, on which robs the sufferer of the ability to logically distinguish between reality and fantasy. Symptoms range widely between patients and include delusions, hallucinations, disorganized speech, lack of motivation, or emotions, but the disease has no defining medical test. Chronic fatigue syndrome. The chronic fatigue is a classic MUPS, that is medically unexplained physical symptoms disease, with a diagnosis based only on the ruling out of other possibilities. More than just feeling a little tired, chronic fatigue syndrome patients are often bedridden for days at a time. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. One version of this rare brain disorder is better known mad cow and can be contracted by eating contaminated beef. Regular CJD is also always fatal, quick-acting and is the most common form, but develops in most patients for reasons doctors have yet to figure out and cannot prevent. Morgellons disease. This mysterious illness, which has cropped up again recently, displays almost sci-fi symptoms. Sufferers complain of intensely creepy crawly skin and odd fibrous strands which protrude from open wounds. Some in the medical community blame the disease on psychotic delusion, but others say the symptoms are very rare. Even in advance of science, it's difficult to find a remedies for these diseases. Let's hope for a day for better world. Thank you. Have a nice day.